Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how to send a file on Discord using your Android device. Whether it's a document, image, or any other type of file, I'll guide you through the steps to make it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Discord app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, head to the Google Play Store, download it, and log into your account. Once you're in the app, navigate to the conversation where you want to send your file. This could be a chat with a friend, a group chat, or a server channel. Just tap on it to open the conversation. Now look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a plus icon. Go ahead and tap that. This icon is your gateway to sharing content, including files. After tapping the plus icon, a menu will pop up. From here, select File. This option will allow you to browse through your device's storage to find the file you want to send. Take a moment to search for and select the file you wish to share, whether it's saved in your photos, downloads, or a specific folder. Once you find it, just tap on it to select. Finally, once your file is loaded and ready to go, look for the send arrow icon, typically located at the bottom right. Tap that icon and your file will be sent instantly. And that's it. You've successfully sent a file on Discord using your Android device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.